for Warren County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waynesville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Harveysburg, Port William, New Antioch, Ogden, Burtonville, Bloomington, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68, Cedar Creek State Park, Kingman, Oakland, Reevesville, Melvin, and Lumberton. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.